All right, hello people. So you're in a bind. Your toilet leaks. This valve here can leak sometimes. Doesn't work. I'm going to replace this valve here with a Fluidmaster. This is a Fluidmaster toilet valve. This valve is a 400 alpha. Really good valve. Universal fill valve. Trusted by manufacturers and professionals worldwide. 5-year warranty. This thing was about $8 in Home Depot. And I've done 3 of these in 3 toilets in my house. There's 3 toilets in this house. There's actually 4 toilets. This is a 4th toilet that I thought doesn't really need a valve, but I'll put it in just to show YouTube people how to do it. This valve is nice because it has this water level adjustment screw on it, and you can adjust the height of the valve. So you can fiddle with this, you can adjust the height. It's quite nice. Again, this is a Fluidmaster 400A. So, what's in the box? And forgive me, I'm using one hand again because that's how this works. Maybe I can put the camera down and do it that way. Alright, let's just suffer through it. Rip the box open with one hand and show you what's in here. So, dump the guts out. And there's a pipe. So this thing comes with an installation guide, which I never read. Heck with that. Here is some other odds and ends that come with it. So this one has a washer already pre-installed on the bottom. This is an overflow tube that you basically want to connect to your Fluidmaster here. Connect this here. And the tube will go on to the other end of this here. And this part here, forgive the noise. We'll get this part out of here. The trouble is, with one hand you can't do much. There we go. So you want to get this part here and clip it onto the toilet right here. And this will inject water into the center from your valve. So this Fluidmaster is pretty nice. You can adjust the height up and down, and all this lever does is basically changes the height of the float. That's basically a fine adjustment, and handily there's a coarse adjustment down here. So what I love about this thing is you can unlatch this clip here and pull it up, and then you can pull on this and change the macro height of this thing up and down. So as usual, you can't do it with one hand too well. Let's see if I can put the camera down. So you can adjust the macro height by pulling this. And I probably could pull it all the way out. And on this one, I'm having some problems. Well, there it is. So much for it being easy. You can see it's got a bunch of seals in here to seal the water input going up. Can put this back in here. There it goes. And then I can lock this thing in place by using the slip washer here and lock it. So now it's locked at that height. You can unlock it and push in some more. Lock it. So that's a really handy feature this thing has. The ability to fit almost any kind of toilet by moving this thing up or down and locking it in place. Very, very handy. So I like this valve a lot. I've just put in 3 of these, and I'm going to next have a video on how to put this in your toilet in 5 minutes or less. Okay, well, thanks for watching. And yeah, this lower part here goes into the toilet through the bowl, and you will use this little nut here to hold it on. And once this is on, you'll put your water supply into here, That's all there is to it. Okay. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.